Hey, this video is for Mr. Carlos. I spoke with Tatiana a couple weeks ago, and my name is Lee Terbienic, and I was doing some research in your area and came across your website. So I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can begin today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and become more interested on how I can help your business grow, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. So let's jump right into it. The 3 major things I want to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. So when I say content is anything that is written on this homepage of yours, and Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on a homepage. So as we scroll down, you guys have a beautiful layout. I see that you do have all your services listed here. But you're kind of giving mixed signals as far as what you want to offer on your homepage here, and that's due to you having minimal content, and I'm not really seeing any keywords in any of your headings or in the content here, and we're going to get into all those keywords here shortly. But yeah, 1,500 words on a homepage is what Google likes to see. So I just did a quick search for elevator services Hialeah, Florida, and as we scroll down, we can see that CatholicElevatorCo.com is in first place. So I wanted to see what kind of content they had. And as we go here, you see they do have content there, couple services listed, and more content down here. All this is considered content, so, and a few pictures leading to services. Contact us, and a map and a contact us form. Some customer reviews that aren't showing. A site map would look good, but they do have a little bit more content than you at the moment. So if you were to go out and get that 1,500 words on your homepage, that would easily beat them in that aspect. And also, these pictures and what they're saved as is a big deal too in the eyes of Google. You can save these as keywords rather than HJ, whatever the picture's name is. Let's see what it is here. So you have it as tag home elevator 1. So let's say one of your keywords for this area is elevator services Hialeah, Florida. So you'd want to save that picture as that, and that would help with ranking. So let's go back to this search, and I'm going to break down Google for you. So up top here is Google Ads, and these companies are hurting for business more than likely and trying to get as many clients as possible, so they're willing to pay cost per click prices. If you're ranking in these other 2 areas in the top 3 and with your website down here, you don't really need to run ads. So I want to focus more or less on the GMB section, which is this section right here, or map pack. And as you can see, Advanced Elevator Company is in first. You are not in the top 3 for this keyword. And what ranks you here is called a citation. So a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, like the Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. So I wanted to see how many citations Advanced Elevator Company has. So I have a tool I use called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder. I plugged in their information right here, and it's showing me they have 27 citations to claim that top spot. So the best part about this tool is this allows me to see where they're getting their citations from, what websites. So, and these top ones are well-known websites: Facebook, Bing, Yelp, MapQuest, Yellow Pages. They have a high score that's transferring a lot of power. Now as we get down here lower, HialeahGrid.com, WorldOrgs, USA-.com, you can see they have lower scores. One of them's not even given any power. So you want relevant and quality citations coming to your business rather than these ones, because they could hurt you more than help you. But anyways, all these good ones, we can go out. As you can see, they're submittable. We can grab these for yours and then go and add 100, 200 more. Go get up in this top 3 map pack and start seeing a real change in traffic coming to your website and people looking for your services. This is where I go when I need service, and it links to everything as well: website, directions to your business. It's a good spot to be. So now that was the map pack. Now this is the organic section, and this deals directly with your website. And this is Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yellow Pages. The first website that's actually popping up here is this Catholic Elevator Co. So I have another tool I use. It's called Ahrefs, and I just wanted to touch base on your keywords first. So as you can see, this is all your keywords that you're ranking for currently. So TG Oil Services, Pit TG, you're in the 4th, elevator shaft cleaning. Now, as you can see, you're ranking just for these general keywords, elevator shaft cleaning, elevator pit waterproofing, but these are global keywords. This is showing that it's being searched 30 times a month, but this could be anywhere in the country because it doesn't have a city behind it. And an example of that would be here at the Catholic Elevator Codes keywords, elevator companies in Florida. We know that's somebody, this is people, 100 people are looking for elevator companies, and we know it's in Florida. Now these are more, a lot better keywords, residential elevators, Miami. So now we have a city behind it. So we know there's 50 people at least. This is a monthly figure too, represents an average monthly number. That's 50 people looking for residential elevators, and we know it's Bayou in Miami. Miami Elevator Co. 70 searches a month. Residential elevator Miami 50. Elevator companies Miami with the FL 30. Miami Elevator Company 70. Elevator companies Miami Florida 30. Elevator companies in Miami 70. Elevator companies Florida 20. Elevator companies in Florida 150. So that's a lot of people looking for some sort of service from an elevator company, and you're not ranking for any of these keywords, nor do you have these in your content. And I typed elevator to see, and they are not in your content anywhere. So you're not even, anyone that types those, you're not even being found for, period. So that's hurting your business as well. But okay, so anyways, let's touch base on what we talked about. First thing was content. Your homepage needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content, and that includes those keywords we just went throughout it. An example would be, here's a website we built, beautiful, nice contact form, click to call button, services, but here, so Woodland Hills Plumber, that's a keyword. We want it in a heading. Woodland Hills Plumber in the content. Woodland Hills Plumbers with the S in the content. That's an example of what it would look like throughout your website. So, second thing we talked about was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, and like the Yellow Pages, Yext, City Star, Facebook, all those. I suggest go out and get 100, 200 of these, beat these guys by a landslide, and never let them come back up. And also that's getting your name out there in more directories so people can find you. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks. A backlink is what ranks you in this organic section down here. And you need to get more authoritative backlinks to beat out your competition online. So you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee and my phone number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Mr. Carlos. And Tatiana, was a pleasure to speak with her. And drop me a line, an email back. Let's schedule a time to chat, and I'd love to help you out with this. Thank you for watching.